All right, I just had to hop on for 1 sec because I got one more thing in the mail that can be considered part of my seed haul, and I am so excited, you guys. Let me show you what I got. So I've always wanted to be able to grow mushrooms, but we have a household member that's super allergic to fungi and all that, so I could never have one that was growing in the house. And I found a kit that grows outside in wood chips. And I really hope it works. We live in a super arid climate. I know I'll have to keep it moist, but I have the perfect area in the garden that I can give it a shot. And so I ordered this kit that is an outside mushroom kit that doesn't have to be grown like in the logs that you drill into and you inoculate. This is merely like, I mean, I don't want to oversimplify it, but you grow it in a wood chip pile and you inoculate it with this kit that they send out. So let me show you. All right. So this is from NorthSpore. These are wine cap mushrooms. I found out about them on YouTube and I just got super excited. Look how beautiful they are. And comes with all the instructions and everything, and then of course there's videos. Like if you go to their YouTube channel, there's all kinds of videos and stuff that you can watch how to use it. And look, it's alive. See all that white stuff? That is the mushrooms growing. So it's too cold here still now, so the instructions are to put it in the fridge until we're ready to use. So I will definitely make a video when I set up the pile. And I just, oh my gosh, I hope it works. For me, mushrooms are a superfood. So it is, I lack vitamin D and a lot of things like that. So this is like, I'm very excited. I hope it works. All right, so not sponsored or anything. I just ordered that from them, paid for it. But I just wanted to share it because I'm so excited to find something that's easy to use outside. I have been looking into mushrooms like a mushroom log, but it seems really tough for my climate. So come along with me, see if it works. I've seen a lot of people's videos and it worked really, really well. So I'm excited. So I will put up that next video about getting your spring garden. That will be next. And thank you so much for watching.